I've been so long on my life, I couldn't give my heart to anyone. Hiding myself was a man, too needed to be held like everyone. The days move into years, I look for a walk between the tears, and never found me, never ever found me. Yes, I did just regret the start. They surely broke all the time, so I hid inside till I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried. A loving heart in a sensitive man, hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere. I could not believe my heart. Dug, dug, dug. I didn't know how to tell you. I didn't know where to start. So I hid inside. I almost died. Oh, I hid inside and I cried. A loving heart in a sensitive man. I know you understand.